Good morning. It is a Tuesday today. The time is 8:48 a.m. and I only have one class today. 9 a.m. pa yung class ko, and I'm currently working on the last topic for my official quiz tomorrow. My notes are finally complete. And I'm drinking this. It's so good.
And most likely that will happen in your mitochondria. So cells that have mitochondria most likely will have this oxidation, no? Will have this aerobic system. Unlike your RBC, walang mitochondria. So okay. So here there's no presence of oxygen.
What's that one?
호텔이 쫓아가다뇨?
했었던 것 같은데 소용없었다네요.
I forgot we're watching something Korean, so I can't understand.
장만월 사장 곧 원령수.
I have to
원령수의
read
힘
it first.
이곳을 만들어내는 거니까요.
Hi everyone, it is currently 10:40 p.m. I thought it was almost 12, but ang aga pa pala, and I've been studying anatomy because I have a quiz on Friday, and I just finished my physiology quiz this morning. So today is Wednesday, and I don't think I have been vlogging that much. I just feel so drained, like I feel so drained emotionally, mentally, ewan ko. Pero wala talaga akong gana mag-vlog, but I just wanted to vlog this week because it's like my last week of med school, like last week of classes namin, and then we have a week of review next week, and then the following weeks are finals. So patapos na ako ng first year of med school, and I just wanted to vlog this week for that reason. And I've been really productive lately because Anton's been working also, so dito siya nag-work sa house. And katabi ko siya mag-aral para binabantayan namin yung sarili namin, or binabantayan namin each other. Anyway, basta he's preparing for work and I'm preparing for my quizzes and exams. So yun, it really helps me na I have someone with me to study, or at least meron nagbabantay sa akin para hindi ako ma-distract, like hindi ako mag-YouTube and all that. So anyway, I just wanted to update, and I just can't believe patapos na yung first year ko.
Followers were like ride or die for him. These girls were like loyal to him. They were like, he is everything to us.
The adductor canal or hunter canal is otherwise known as the subsertorial canal.
We have a conference for physio today wherein we present our experiments for lab. And yung experiment namin is about motor reflex and control. And by the way, I bought this for this particular experiment. So, nakuha ko lang to sa Shopee. And some of my friends keep asking me where I got them because I posted it on my IG. And I have this neurologic hammer that I got from Shopee. I'm gonna link it down below. I think mga less than 200 lang siya, mga 150 ata. Same with this pen. I bought it in the same store. This is a pen light for corneal reflex, no, pupillary reflex. And yeah, this one mga less than 100 lang ata, and you can pick the color, so I chose pink and purple. Good morning, it is currently 8:46 a.m. and I have a quiz later at 4 p.m. and also I have class, my last class at 2 p.m. so I woke up early so that I could study early. I feel like people wake up earlier than me, but 8 a.m. na yung earliest ko. Anyway, like I said, I have a quiz later and it's for anatomy, which is our last quiz. Tapos finals na yung next. And yeah, I don't feel prepared at all, so I'm planning to study as much as I can before the quiz later. So yeah, 3 topics and I studied all of them already, but it's like more of memorization or syempre understanding din. Pero kasi ang dami talaga, so hindi ko sila maalala lahat. Parating nakakalimutan ko pa rin yung mga inaaral ko. So yeah, I need to study and I'm gonna show you my notes. It's so messy because when it's anatomy, hindi ko maayos yung notes ko kasi yun nga, ang daming words na kailangan tandaan. So these are the topics I need to study. So we have lower limbs, muscle, and fascia. So ayun yung notes ko. Ito medyo okay pa. And konti lang yan kasi parang outline lang yung ginagawa ko for anatomy since ang daming ang kailangan na tandaan. So I can't write everything because it's gonna take so much time. I also have this one. This is lower limbs, blood supply, nerve supply, venous and lymphatic drainage. Again, konti lang yan. I already put photos here because I just didn't have time to write everything down. Ayan, yung mga tables, nilagay ko na lang. Just need to remember those. Lastly, we have deep back, which is kind of the messiest because this was what I worked on last night. I mean, ito yung last topic, so ayan, again, I just put the tables there. And yung iba super messy na nang nilagay ko. Like, I was just writing things so I could remember. And yeah, I think that is it for my notes. And I'm gonna read them. Also, gonna try to read the trans more. And I think that's it. I'm so scared for later. It's my last quiz and I just want to do well on my last quiz, you know? Okay, I'm gonna stop. And by the way, I kind of cleaned my table because we're not allowed to have anything on our table. I just have my mat because look, sira-sira yung wood sa ilalim. So I have my mat there. I removed the things at the back of my laptop. I'm gonna remove the water later. And yeah, this is gonna be my setup. And whew, wish me luck. Whenever I have a quiz, I put my phone on do not disturb so that I don't get any notifs or calls during my Zoom. And then I go to school and then open Zoom. Okay, so I put the code already. Now for the passcode, it's last quiz. Okay, let's see. Oh no. Hi! Okay, I need to put my phone on auto-rotate just in case. And then I put it like this. So this is my setup. I just put it on my drawer, makeup drawers ko, and then at the back yung makeup brushes ko. And then dapat kita yung laptop screen and then yung hands nakapatong dyan, both hands. And yeah, that's the setup. I am gonna take the quiz in a while. Well, not really. Kailangan pa nila i-check yung surroundings namin and all that. But I'll vlog later after the quiz. Bye! Oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty. Halata ba? Grabe! Sobrang pasmado ng kamay ko. Ang hirap mag-navigate ng cursor ko whenever I'm answering the exam. It was so hot because I feel like naririnig yung fan ko, so I turned it off. Ay, nako, oh my gosh. That was a hard exam. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna pass. Like, hopefully I do because I know that I got some answers correct, but I also know that I was unsure about some answers because I didn't focus on them when I was studying. But anyway, done na with our last exam. I took it for like 27 minutes and the maximum was 30 minutes. So I really took my time kasi yung iba parang late ko na naalala and tinatry ko pa alalahanin yung iba pero hindi ko talaga maalala yung iba. So yeah, I'm gonna call Anton and we're gonna make kimbap today. And I'm so excited. I am trying to make kimbap right now. So we have seaweed, sesame seeds, warm rice, crab sticks, egg, cheese, and kimchi. Yeah, I guess yun lang yung ingredients. And I'm using this one. And also, I have lettuce for the kimbap as well. We're about to watch Younger Season 7 Episode 6 and also I'm eating cake right now. So yeah. It's really cold right now so I'm wearing my jacket. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Feeling ko ang haba na ng vlog na to kasi nga it's week in my life. But before I end the vlog, I wanna do a shout out. I'm gonna try and do shout outs more often because some people request them. And wala lang, gusto ko lang i-share yung mga parating nagko-comment sa videos ko. One of the comments I see here is from M. So M lang yung username niya. And I'm gonna put her comment here. And I already replied to her comment. But again, thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below any other video suggestions or if you like my mid-school vlogs. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and I will see you on my next video. Bye!